Right, so now I'm going to make some little mini spicy bean pates, or little spicy bean burgers. That I'm going to make the mix and then I'm going to pane them. So I can also show you how to do a pane. So I've got butter beans here and I've got some kidney beans. We're just going to get these open. I'll just get them open. Just open the tins up. Just open the tins up, and then I'm just going to wash off the beans in the cold water, so they're ready to rock and roll. I drop them both in, just mix them together in the actual water, just to rinse them off. Like so. Okay. Whilst my beans are washing off, I'm just going to split off some pepper to go and some spring onions to go through the mix. Just got my pan. Get it hot. Get some oil on. There we go. Right, so that's my beans nicely washed there. Now I'm just going to cut a small piece of my pepper. Just cut that bit out. Don't really need that bit. Any seeds, just knock them out. And then I'm just going to cut the pepper into strips. And then flip it around, fairly small, like so. And that's ready to go in the pan. I've got a spring onion. I'm just going to peel off the any dead bits or bits that don't look very nice, and we're just going to chop the spring onion up. I'm just going to slice it in half, like so. Cut the end off, cut that off, and then we just cut it in. So we've got red pepper, spring onion, ready to go through the mini bean burgers. So let's just get that in the pan. It's nice and hot. Being careful not to spill the oil. Okay. And that's going to cook. That'll cook really quickly on there. Just a little bit of salt. There we go. And I've got some coriander that we're just going to chop up. Just give it a little toss. There we go. Leaves off the coriander, the stalks, 2, 3. Always keep an eye on the peppers and the spring onion because I don't want to burn them. Okay, bit more. So this is another very, very simple and healthy dish. So I'm just going to cut the coriander up. Okay. So that's now ready to go through my burgers. Right, this is sweated off. Now those vegetables are nice and soft. I'm just going to put these through here. Just to drain off any excess oil that's in there that I fried it off in. That's lovely. Got my bowl. Beautiful. Okay, I've just strained the beans off. So. Right, so there you go. Pepper, spring onion, right there in a bowl. I've got my beans, my kidney beans and my butter beans that I've just rinsed off. I'm just going to drain them. Drain them there, look. Lovely. Okay. Now, I'm not going to use all of that. I just want to make a small, maybe just one. So, get some butter beans in there, some kidney beans in there, a few more butter beans. hands. So we're just going to do a couple. So as you see, I've got a nice mix of butter beans and kidney beans in there. A few 100 grams. Okay, let's put this to the side. Lovely. So also, I'm going to drop some coriander in there. A little bit of salt. A little bit of white pepper. See that? Okay. And also, I want a bit of spice, so I've got some hot madras curry powder, just to give it a little bit of extra oomph. Okay. Not too much, because this stuff is pretty strong. Okay, let's do that. But I mean, you can add a little bit of chili powder if you want, a bit of paprika if you don't want it too spicy. But I want to try and get a bit of a going. Okay, so let's give that a little bit of a mix. See that? Okay, now I need to get my hands in there. So make sure my hands are clean, nice and clean. Okay. Hands. Okay, and then I'm just going to crush them. And when you crush it, you'll see the beans will start to all come together. Like so. Give them a really good crush. Mixing all the mix together. There we go, we're going to get messy in this one. Okay. Oh yeah. As you can see, it's all starting to come together, mix together there. Okay. Yeah. Getting dirty in the kitchen today, so I need to make sure. Okay, so that's, as you can see, it's like that. Okay, lovely, beautiful. Now I'm just going to quick wash my hands. Okay, let's go. Right, okay, beautiful. I'm also just going to put this pan on. I want to slightly. A little bit of oil in there. Okay, got my mix. What I've also got here is what we call a penne. So I want to coat them in breadcrumbs. So I've got some eggs. This is just one egg, a little bit of milk. I've mixed it together. We've got some plain flour. This is normal plain flour. And then we've got some panko breadcrumbs, which we're going to coat the balls in. So let's just. How are we going to do this? Okay, so if I get maybe that much, do like mini type things, and I'm just going to shape it into about so size. So we get one of those. So they're all about evenly sized. Let's take that off the heat. It's getting really hot. Okay, so we've got about 3 even sized pieces there. Lovely. Again, we'll just roll it into a bowl. In my hands. Geez, a messy one. Cool. Okay. Okay, like that. There you go. Yeah. Okay. Let's just roll it again. Okay. Lovely. Okay. It's a little bit sticky. Okay, I'm just going to do this one again. Okay. So there we've got our little moulds. Now we need to pan it. So there we go. Colourful, isn't it? So what we're going to do is, I'm going to put these over here. Get rid of my knife. Get rid of that. Okay, now we've got the pan mixture. Let's wash our hands again. Okay, right. Just dry my hands and got wet everywhere. Okay, so we've got the flour. we've got the eggs, and we've got the breadcrumbs. Right, can you see this? Yes. So, pate, first thing, flour. Drop it in the flour, coat it. Shake it a little bit, just to dust it off. Keep the shape. Okay, lovely. Take the fork out of there for now. Just leave it on there. We're going to drop it in there, and we're going to need a fork just to mix it around a little bit. Nicely coated in the egg mix, and then we're going to drop it in the breadcrumbs. Like so, panko breadcrumbs. Like that. Get them nicely in there. Okay. And as you can see, now we have nicely coated in breadcrumbs. See that there? Okay, cool. Just going to grab a plate. Just put one there. Okay, just keep the shape. Again, pate, flour, coat it, knock it off, egg yolk, or eggs and milk. That's the egg mix. Coat it, drop it in the panko, give it a mix around, like so. Okay. Nice, just a few on there. Make sure it's nice and coated. Done. 2. Once again, pate in the flour. What time are we on? So we're on 11 minutes. In there. Again, coat it in the milk and egg mix. In the breadcrumbs. Drop it in on the top. Get it around. Get it nicely in there. Keep the shape nice and round. Drop it in again. Okay, this is looking. Okay, and let me just give it a bit more of a shape again if you want. Okay, they're ready to drop it. I'm just going to wash my hands again. Okay, right, now, I'm just going to move this to the side because it's a bit of a mess. Okay, so now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to get the heat up. So with the pan on, I'm going to get that nice and hot with some oil in there. Okay, turn that over. Now we've got our ready to pan fry. Okay, one more plate. There. Be careful with the oil. Okay. You've got to be very, very careful because the oil is very, very hot. So don't drop it in there. Okay, that's slightly sizzling. Lovely. And then we've got another one in there. Slightly sizzling. Again. Just be very, very careful because it might spit a little bit with the oil. What I'm going to do is, I'm going to get these nicely crispy in the pan. It's pan fried, and I'm going to put it through the oven for a little bit, just to finish them off. Got my tray there, just grab a fork. How are we looking? Okay, started to so as you can see, it started to colour nicely where it's cooking the breadcrumbs. So this is a spicy bean kind of pate, or a spicy bean mini burger. It's vegetarian. Okay. Now looking on the other side. Okay, just about there. Remember, you've got to be very, very careful. This is really hot. Okay. Let's just turn it over one more time. Being very careful not to burn ourselves. Okay. And now, I'm just going to take it out of the pan. It's nicely coloured on it. Oh dear, dropped it. Switch them back together. There we go. So as you can see now, it's nicely coloured. So I'm just going to flash these through the oven for about 5 minutes or so. Right, okay, so my little mini spicy bean burgers have been in there for been in the oven for about 6 or 7 minutes now. So I'm just going to take them out, have a quick look. Just turn that off because it's a bit rattly. Okay. See, nice and golden. And I've got one here that I've been eating. Pretty. So yeah, come out of the oven. They're really golden in colour now, where the breadcrumbs are golden off. Just going to take a fork. We'll get them on a plate. Okay. My little spicy bean burger. Let's just get it on there. Okay. Taste. It's really crispy on the outside with the panko breadcrumbs. Sorry. But then it's also really soft in the middle. With a little bit of spice. Okay. So there we are. That's my little butter bean, kidney bean, spicy mini burgers that have been paneed in panko breadcrumbs with a nice crispy outer layer and a nice soft centre.